That's the liver right there?
Yes.
That's the one, two, three. 3 lobes.
What is the function of the liver? That's not a question on here. Might answer.
Go for it.
Basically to store energy, and also it's part of to decrease the density and also increase the buoyancy of the shark as well.
You look at it.
Huh?
You look at it.
I remember. Well, the first part I remember reading. The second
Well,
part
yeah,
I
the
looked
first
up.
part, yeah, we mentioned that part. The storing energy.
What is it that you
Yeah,
mentioned?
is that good enough for us to remember for the practical? The storing energy?
Storing
Yeah.
energy in what form? Is energy stored?
ATP. Glycogen.
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 Alrighty.
All right, so what do we have next? So, we want the J-shaped stomach.
Okay,
Here's
here's
the
the,
J-shaped stomach.
here's the J-shaped stomach. Here we go. This, and then goes up like that.
What is that? The stomach?
Yeah, that's the
Squeeze in
stomach.
closer to
You
me.
want me to make a J?
Okay.
Like I said, I really don't have that personal space, buddy.
Yeah, I don't see the J.
Yeah, here we go.
Right here.
Look
It
like.
looks. It's like a really skewed.
For the spleen goes up.
It's a backward J.
Yeah.
Oh, I see
Okay,
it.
I don't see it.
So
what was that
The
look
stomach's
like?
a looping
Right
organ
over
here.
there.
Yeah, it's like a hook.
Oh, I see it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, anterior to the stomach, you guys identified the esophagus, right?
Right. This over here, we would say. This, you mean?
No.
No, right? This is this over here. We were thinking
Beyond, above the stomach. So where was your stomach?
right over here. This
to
whole structure.
So just everything up beyond that. Just
Right.
all of that up in that
Lift the
region.
liver up. maybe?
No, I don't want to cut it. It's like
I don't want
just
to cut it.
sorry, because not paying me.
Now, what do you find attached to that loop of the stomach?
The loop of the stomach is a spleen.
So ever see that triangular shaped thing?
The dark thing right
Sorry,
there.
sorry.
This. Yeah.
Dark gray thing.
I asked a question here in the last one. Let me figure out. The spleen plays an important role in sharks that does not play in other vertebrates. What might this role be? Keep in mind that sharks are cartilaginous fish and therefore not because of bone.
Production of red blood cell.
Exactly. You hear that?
Interesting.
Cartilaginous fish doesn't have bone. The spleen is producing the red blood cells. So, right? And then continue the stomach to the intestine. So the first part of the intestine is the duodenum. Right?
Right. So I think this is the duodenum.
Yeah, just the very beginning.
Right,
The
that
duodenum,
part
and
over
then
here.
down next to that, the strip-like pancreas, right?
Right.
And so show that off. To
Okay, so if we look inside, this is the pancreas right over here. And they're going inside the duodenum basically, merging there.
Is it the thing you're holding or the thing?
Yeah,
on
this
top?
the thing. Here we
Yeah,
go.
This
This
is the
is
pancreas,
the.
and then this is the duodenum.
I just like saying that duodenum.
All right.
And then again, the distinction between duodenum, ileum, and rectum, that's really the major components of the intestines here. Where the duodenum becomes the ileum, I'm not going to be that particular, but I mean the rectum is going to be the very, very, very end. Show them the rectum, because you saw where it empties into the cloaca, right?
Right.
So you can show them that much.
So this
And
is the rectum gland right over
Well,
here.
not the rectum gland, just the rectum itself.
Well, this just the rectum.
Okay, you can show them the gland.
Okay.
That's the gland.
There we go.
That's not a structure that I put on the sheet, but it's a nice conspicuous.
What is this thing?
This is the large intestine.
It's huge.
I know.
The shark.
Yeah.
It's right. It's not
Where?
rounded. That's why it was dry.
So I guess the last two things I don't remember you guys is the gonads and the kidneys.
No, we have the kidneys. Yeah. So these are the kidneys over here.
That line.
The line is the kidneys.
That's kind of an important distinction between kidneys on a fish and kidneys on any other kind of vertebrate. That was the
Wait,
bony fish
So
look the
they're
same.
blended in.
Yeah.
That line.
Part of
And then the
the
gonad
The
line
kidneys are
right
along
there.
the dorsal
Right there.
wall and basically just runs the length of the animal.
so
Yeah.
other
Black
vertebrates would be,
Put it down.
if it were vertebrates.
They're vertebrates.
Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of
And
Cartilage?
This is
Why
the
they're actually in there.
And then the gonads.
the gonads are right basically below the livers over here. One on this side.
This?
Yeah,
That's the
this.
gonad.
And
Oh
again,
my
that's the
gosh,
thing you're
really?
holding, right?
Much
And
higher up at the bottom.
this one right over here on this side, same thing.
Maybe turn it over more.
Yeah, there we go. That's
Does it
this
have
is
like-
gonad.
Would you guys expect to find eggs in there?
No.
One's a man.
No.
I turn it inside out.
Yeah. And there's one more thing, the heart.
Oh, you're right. I don't know.
Yeah. This is the ventricle, the hard looking thing, the really hard looking thing.
The lighter part.
Yeah. and then the ventricles are on the side.
This is important to check out this hard because it's not, might not be
It's
what
a
you
darker
expect.
one. It's not two atrium.
Yeah.
It looks like there's two, but it's actually just one.
One.
It's a
One
two-chamber
chamber.
The central chamber is the ventricle. Surrounding that is the atrium. So it looks like there's an atrium on each side. But remember, how many chambers does the start?
Yeah.
Two.
Two. One ventricle, one atrium.
Got the
right?
chair.
And so it's deceiving.
It's
This is
darker
the black thing in the that's the atrium,
Okay, and then
and the ventricle in the middle over here.
And then what is the structure coming off of the ventricle?
That's
Aorta.
aorta. There we go.
Where's
Yeah.
that at?
Where's that?
This is the aorta right over here. The
The
line.
middle part?
Yeah.
The light line goes to the
Ventricle.
Yeah.
ventricle.
The aorta is connected to the ventricle.
The atrium is the
Dark
black looking
ventricle.
thing.
Yeah, the black looks like little lumpy sacks.
And the blue thing over here is the vein, basically.
The what?
A vein.
Oh, wait. Shut up.
That's it, right?
Very good. Very good. So if anybody